I am delighted to welcome you today to our video lecture on desktop and laptop computer system, operation and maintenance. In our increasingly digital world, understanding how to operate and maintain these essential tools is crucial. Whether you use a desktop computer at your office, a powerful laptop for work and leisure, or both, this knowledge is indispensable. The proper operation and maintenance of these devices not only ensure their longevity but also play a significant role in your overall productivity and security. Today, we will delve into various aspects of this topic, from the fundamental components of a computer system to practical tips of maintenance, performance optimization, and security best practices. We will also discuss the key difference between desktop and laptop system, enabling you to make informed decisions when choosing or using these devices. By the end of this video lecture, you will have a comprehensive understanding how to keep your computer system running smoothly, efficiently, and securely. We will cover both basic and advanced concepts, so whether you are a new or seasoned user, there will be a valuable takeaway for everyone. Now we will delve into the fundamental building blocks of a computer system, its components. Understanding these components is pivotal to comprehending how your desktop and laptop computers operate and how to maintain them efficiently. Let's take a moment to explore the core components. The first one is Central Processing Unit or CPU. When referred to as the brain of the computer, the CPU performs calculations and executes instructions. It's responsible for the majority of data processing. Random access memory or RAM. RAM is where the computer stores data that is currently using. The more RAM you have, the more programs and data your computer can handle at once. Storage devices. This includes hard disk drives or HDDs and solid state drives or SSDs. Hard disk drives offer high storage capacity while SSDs are faster and more reliable. Your choice depends on your needs. Motherboard. The motherboard like the central nervous system, connecting all the components and allowing them to communicate with each other. And Graphics Processing Unit. The GPU is responsible for rendering images, making it crucial for tasks like game and graphic design. Power Supply Unit or PSU. The PSU supplies electrical power to the components. Choosing the right PSU is essential for system stability. Input-output ports. These connectors like USB, HDMI and audio jacks allow you to connect external devices and peripherals. Cooling system. This keeps the components from overheating, typically consisting of fans and heat sinks. This keeps the components cool from overheating, typically consisting of fans and heat sinks. Understanding the role of these components is the foundation for effective computer system operation and maintenance. It enables you to make informed decisions about upgrades, troubleshoot issues, and optimize performance. Now let us watch this video for better visualization what our computer have inside.
Hello all, this is Eliane and today we're going to see what's inside the computer. If you're curious like me and want to see what's inside your case, make sure to unplug all the cables to discharge any static built up. Now we're gonna open it. Oh, ta-da! We can see this big electronic board here. It connects all the computer parts together. It's the mother of all. Let's call it the motherboard. This is a big cooling fan. Let's see who's underneath it, who's too hot and like to cool down. This metallic ceramic square is the CPU or Central Processing Unit. Its nickname is processor. It's the brain of the computer. Like the human brain, it is he who carries the commands and control all the activities of the computer, as for example when you press a key or start an application. But the computer also has a short temporary memory and a long permanent memory. The temporary memory is the RAM, random access memory. This is the RAM. It stores data or programs while they are currently running, but once the power is off, it forgets everything and the content is lost. Measured in gigabyte, by adding more memory, you can do more things at once. Well, where is the long-term memory? The long-term memory is the hard disk. The hard disk, as you can see, it's bigger than the RAM, 100 and even million times bigger. Data is recorded magnetically on a circular disk. The faster the hard drive, the faster your computer can start up and load programs. The neighbor of the hard drive is the optical drive. Okay. The optical drives allow us to read optical discs like CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays. The eyes of the computer, the video card, it enables you to see on the monitor. The ears of the computer, the sound card, so that you can hear the sounds and music from your computer, and it connects the headphone and the microphone. The social part of the computer is the network card. It enables you to connect to the network and to access the internet. To feed the computer, we need the electricity. The power supply here gives the required amount of power to the computer components. It converts AC current from the wall outlet to the DC current needed by the computer. Who's hiding there behind the cables? It's the battery. The battery is responsible to feed the real-time clock of the computer and the configuration memory. Those are the major components inside the computer.
Now we turn our attention to one of our core elements of your computer system, the operating system. This software serves as the interface between you, the user, and the hardware components that we discussed earlier. The operating system plays a pivotal role in computer system operation and maintenance. Here what you need to know. The first is definition. The operating system, often referred to as the OS, is a software that manages computer hardware and provides various services for computer programs. Functionality. It controls and coordinates the use of hardware among various applications programs for various types of users. In simpler terms, it makes your computer user-friendly. Examples: common desktop and laptop operating system include Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, and various distributions of Linux. Each has unique features and user interface. Updates. Operating system receive regular updates and patches which are essential for security and performance. Keeping your OS up to date is vital. User interface. The user interface is how you interact with the operating system. It includes the desktop environment, icons, taskbars, and more. Software compatibility. The OS determines which software and applications can run on your computer. It's essential to choose an OS that supports the software you need. Troubleshooting. Understanding the OS can be invaluable when troubleshooting common issues such as driver problem, software conflicts, and system crashes. Now, we are going to explore an essential aspect of operating your computer, the process of booting up and shutting down. These are fundamental operations that you perform each time you use your desktop or laptop. The first one is booting up. When you power on your computer, a series of events occur. The first step is the power on self-test, where the computer hardware is checked for any issues. Next, the BIOS or the Basic Input-Output System or UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, initializes the hardware and locates the boot device, usually the hard drive or SSD. The operating system is loaded into RAM and the login screen or desktop environment appears, allowing you to log in and start using your computer. Shutting down. To shut down your computer, you can click the shutdown option in your operating system's menu. This initiates series of processes. Running applications and services are closed, and any unsafe work should be saved before shutdown. Once all processes are terminated, your computer power is turned off. Properly starting up and shutting down your computer is essential for its overall health and longevity. It helps prevent data corruption, ensures that software and hardware functions correctly, and conserves energy. Now we come to the common questions that what we should use, desktop computers or laptop computers. To understand this, let us consider these points. Desktop computers are typically more powerful and customizable than laptops. They offer options for larger and faster components like CPUs, GPUs, and storage devices. They are ideal for tasks that demand high performance such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. Desktops often have better cooling system which can lead to longer component lifespan. They tend to be more cost effective for the same level of performance compared to laptops. On the other hand, laptops are portable and versatile. You can take them with you on the go, which is great for work environment and traveling. They are generally more energy efficient and have built-in battery backups. Laptops are compact and take up less space, making them suitable for small work areas. They come in various sizes and configuration, catering to the wide range of user needs. Choosing between the desktop and a laptop depends on your specific requirements and performance. It is essential to consider facts such as your computing needs, budget, and mobility. For some, a combination of both may be ideal solution. When it comes to using a computer, it encompasses a comprehensive skill set that requires in-depth sessions for thorough understanding. Therefore, we will not be delving into these specific skills in this discussion. Now, regarding maintenance, let us watch this video, what it says.
There is a need for regular device maintenance and smooth running of Node, so that unauthorized intrusions such as viruses may be kept away. Here are the tips to keep your laptop or computer running optimally. Tips for computer maintenance software includes: 1. Check regularly for updates from manufacturers and ensure proper installation. If you leave them ignored, your computer is available for hacks, especially as it is connected online. Set a monthly or weekly schedule to ascertain operating systems are up to date. 2. Run reports of network system to identify any data abnormal activity. Automate the system reports so that the backing up process also sends a report daily, telling you a recent file updates. 3. Update IT policies in Office as the technologies keep changing and remind the coworkers to follow. Replacing or update of software is best done as a timely manner. Failure to update leaves the PC open to hackers and virus writers to take advantage. Update the firewall and virus definitions to work with intrusions. Use the online backup tools for recovery and data preservation regularly. Tips for computer maintenance for hardware include: 1. Give regular cleaning by dusting the keyboards. Keep the dirt and dust away so that the power unit and the fan do not get stuck. Use a compressed air spray for dust cleaning. 2. Ensure proper hardware is used. Network slowdown may happen over time on using outdated equipment. Always keep your hardware in a dry, secure area to prevent data loss or damage disasters such as breach or flood. 3. Keep adequate free disk space. This is because if the disk space is full, the performance is slow or it may freeze, creating user interruptions. Free up space and move to cloud backup account the archived files. Disconnect unauthorized hardware and ensure necessary firewall protects the administration and enjoy unimpeded access to exposed network. Applying these tips ensures eliminating downtime and it will reduce any surprise costs. Computer Geek Brisbane are your one-stop shop, and Computer Repair Hamilton are the best in the field.
We have reached the conclusion of our presentation on desktop and laptop computer system operation and maintenance. We have covered essential aspects of understanding, operating, and maintaining these indispensable devices. Throughout this journey, we explored the fundamental components of a computer system, the importance of choosing between desktops and laptops based on your needs, and essential operations like booting up, shutting down, and file management. We emphasized the significance of regular maintenance tasks, updates, and effective performance optimization techniques to keep your computer in optimal condition. We stressed the need of vigilant security measures, data backups, and value of understanding your operating system and its updates. However, it's important to note that the rapidly evolving field of technology constantly presents new challenges and advancements. Keeping yourself updated with these latest trends, security measures, and innovative features will empower you to adapt and make informed decisions as a computer user. In your journey with computers, never hesitate to explore, learn, and seek guidance when you need it. Whether you are a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting out, continuous learning is the key to staying ahead in this dynamic digital age. We hope that this video has provided valuable insights and knowledge to help you navigate and utilize your computer system significantly and securely. Thank you.